welcome to Active Education Pro. Today's topic is derivation of mathematical formula. You know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. But how could it is a square plus b square plus 2ab? Yes, it must have a systematical process. By calculating addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, finally we get the result a square plus b square plus 2ab. Today I am going to solve a plus b whole square systematically step by step for your acknowledgement. First one is a plus b whole square. A plus b square means it is the base and it is the exponent or powers. Means the base multiplied for 2 times. That's why the power is 2. It means a plus b into a plus b. And then open the bracket. As per the distributive rule, first multiplied a with this second factor a plus b, and then plus, put plus sign, then b into a plus b. This is distributive law. Open the first bracket and multiply each term of the first bracket with the total factor. It means first term is a into second factor, second term is b with second factor. And then open again this bracket, a into a into a plus a into b, a into a plus a into b, plus b into a plus b into b, b into a plus b into b. And then a into a multiplied for 2 times, that's why it is a square, plus a into b. Both are different variables, a and b, so it remains ab, plus b into a, ba, plus b into b, b square. Then a square plus ab, we can write it ab because we know ab is equal to ba as per commutative rule. When you multiply 2 into 3, its answer is 6. When you multiply 3 into 2, its answer is 6. If you change its order, then no problem, multiplication result will be same. AB is equal to BA, then plus B square. Look here, AB and AB, both are like terms containing same variables AB. Yes, there are 2 variables a and b, but each term has same variable ab, so it will be 1ab plus 1ab, it will be 2ab plus b square. It is your answer. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Otherwise we said it normally a square plus b square plus 2ab, because in addition, property of addition is one of the properties commutative. Okay, and the next one is a minus b whole square. Similarly, here we multiplied a minus b for 2 times, and then open the first bracket, a into a minus b minus b into a minus b. Again open the bracket, a into a minus a into b minus b into a minus b into minus b, because here it is minus b. Okay, I remind you again, at the time of mathematical calculation, mathematical application, always be careful for its sign mark, because one sign mark is very important for this process, for completing this question's answer. A square minus ab minus ba, minus into minus, same sign in multiplication will become positive sign, b square. And again a square minus ab because ba is equal to ab as per the commutative property, then plus b square. And here minus ab are like terms. A square minus 2ab plus b square. It is your answer. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Normally we know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, but yes, it has another formula, a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Let's derive the another formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab. We need to make it a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. That's why we need here one minus 2ab. Minus one term of minus 2ab we need here to make it a minus b whole square. That's why we subtract 2ab. It means minus 2ab. But yes, it is completely extra new for this and this same answer. It is totally new. Then we have to balance it by adding another 2ab. It is same as you have a square plus b square plus 2ab, but we make it a minus b whole square. That's why for making of a minus b whole square we need a square plus b square minus 2ab. One of the term is minus 2ab. That's why I write minus 2ab, and for balancing this minus 2ab again I write the reverse application. It means minus means plus application, subtraction means addition application to balance this process. If we cancel this minus 2ab with plus 2ab, the answer will be same up to here, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Again I repeat it, if I cancel minus 2ab with plus 2ab, the answer up to here, a square plus b square plus 2ab. No changes. That's why when you add or when you subtract or when you multiply or divide in with one side, means with this RHS means right hand side, then with same right hand side you have to do the reverse application. Means subtraction of 2ab means you have to add another 2ab to balance this side. Okay, next step is a square plus b square. Just come minus 2ab to here. Take the minus 2ab to here, because now this is the formula of a minus b whole square, and the remaining terms write down right here, plus 2ab, and here another plus 2ab. And this is the now formula of a minus b whole square. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Remind again, a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and the remaining terms are 2ab. These are like terms, so that's why 2 plus 2. First add the coefficient, 4ab. This is the another formula of a plus b whole square. It is one formula and it is the second formula. It is the first formula and it is the second formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and another formula is a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay. Next formula is a minus b whole square. We simply know that a square plus b square minus 2ab, but there is another formula like a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. First simply write it. For making a minus b whole square to a plus b whole square, you have to add 2ab, and for balancing this addition of 2ab, you have to subtract again 2ab. Again I repeat it, a square plus b square minus 2ab. It is the normal formula of a minus b whole square, but you need to here another plus 2ab, positive 2ab, to make it a plus b whole square. So I write here, I add here 2ab, but you need to balance this side. This is RH side and this is LHS side. So I subtract again 2ab from this right side. First add a 2ab and then subtract a 2ab, and then a square plus b square, and then write here plus 2ab. These 2ab transfers to here plus 2ab, and the remaining terms are minus 2ab minus 2ab, and this is the formula of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is the formula of a plus b whole square, and then the remaining terms are minus minus. Same sign means just put the sign, add the coefficient. 2 plus 2 is 4, and write the variables 4ab. It is another formula of a minus b whole square. It is the first formula and it is the second formula. Okay, these are the derivation of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. By complete process how to derivate it, please repeat it and completely watch this video from starting to ending. That's why you don't have any doubt. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update of my video. Thank you.